Hey everybody, Hammy here, and I just want to give you a little bit of an update of what's going on and what I'm planning for the future and how you can get involved. So, if you noticed a couple days ago, I started streaming Kirby Star Allies, and it happened with some varied success. My upload speeds, for some reason, are really terrible. I had someone come out from Comcast to try to fix it, and they did for a couple days, but then it came back. So I will be probably switching providers because I do enjoy streaming. I enjoy chatting with you guys while I stream. But until then, I do want to do some Let's Plays that I can make, and then I can edit, and then you guys can watch them whenever. So if there's any games that you'd like to see, I'd be happy to play them. I probably will do new games going forward, some big new games. I know that Mario Tennis is almost out. But if you have any suggestions for stuff you'd like to see, even classic games, classic Kirby, classic Mario, classic Metroid. I imagine it would probably be Nintendo related, but I'm open to other stuff too. So if you have any suggestions for Let's Plays, I would happily like to do that, but I will be doing streaming in the future once I get everything figured out. But until then, Let's Plays. I figured I would also do some comments. I wanted to kind of point out some of the star comments that I enjoyed reading on recent videos. Made me laugh or made me smile in some way. And I'm going to be doing that as kind of an ongoing feature going forward whenever I do vlogs. So I'm going to read some to you. Zapples, the JoJo comment shiz poster / inkling, says on the Magic Cake video, instructions unclear, baked a bell pouch. Love it. Dominic Zimmerman on the Magic Cake video as well said, your cooking is as magic as this cake. I'll take it. Shay Abbott says, yes, Mother 3 appreciation. You're my hero, Hammy. Thank you. I'm happy to be your hero. And on the Campfire Pizza, B Mitten, I'm gonna say it phonetically. B Mitten says, Hammy is the best. He's better than the rest. He keeps me from jumping off Mount Everest. I changed it to Everest so that it would kind of match with the rhyme scheme. Thank you. I'm glad that I'm preventing you from your mountaintop suicide. So I hope that you guys enjoyed those comments. I'm going to be featuring more comments in the future. And as always, I like comments. I like bad comments. I like good comments. As long as you're responding to the video in some way, I'm solid. And keep liking it, or disliking it. It doesn't really matter. YouTube just likes it when people respond to videos, and it kind of bumps them up in the search when people are searching for things. To that effect, I will also be asking, what do you want to see? I'm working right now on a Fortnite recipe. That's going to come out later this week, probably. I'm going to be working on a South Park recipe that I keep toying around with, that I'm eventually going to put out. And I'm also working on the Magma Burger from Paper Mario Color Splash, which is one of the only games I ever returned, by the way. I was so disappointed with it. But the Magma Burger looks pretty cool. I was doing some research on it, and I have a game plan because I know a couple of you, actually more than a couple, requested it. So look forward to that. And I want to do more Yokai Watch recipes. I'm not familiar with Yokai Watch. I've never played a game, but there's some great looking food in Yokai Watch. And I was looking at the Japanese only games, pizza and tempura. Or is it sushi and tempura? I don't know. But there's two versions, kind of like Pokemon. And they look great, and I have them planned, but I don't want to do these recipes until like they're confirmed for America. I might end up doing them anyway, just to get a heads up on it because they're so cool. And because summer's coming up, I want to be doing more drinks. I know you guys have been enjoying the drink recipes, and more kind of frozen dessert stuff because it'll help you keep cool. If you want to stay cool already, I would definitely recommend making the Castelia cones. Very tasty and very easy, and an awesome and delicious frozen treat. But if you have any suggestions as far as what you'd like to see, not only recipes, but as far as the channel is concerned, what kind of videos do you want to see? I haven't really played around with a lot of formats. I did the spicy noodle challenge before, and I could do more videos like that. But I'm more than willing to try new things that you guys would like to see. I would like to go back to doing giveaways. I was doing a couple last year and then a little bit this year too, and I want to get back to doing that. I kind of fell on the wayside because I ran out of money, but once the financial situation is figured out, I will definitely go back and give away more, probably eShop cash, because it's the easiest, and you can get whatever you want with it. You can get a game on the 3DS or on the Switch, so it's kind of universal. So yeah, and thank you to those that are supporting me on Patreon. At this juncture, all the money that gets invested goes right back into the channel, because I recently invested in a brand new computer, which allows me to kind of make videos faster and easier. I am starting to shoot outside more because I enjoy shooting outside, and I got some stuff for that. And I'm kind of trying new things, and hope that you can come along for the ride as I try different formats and everything. And if you see something you don't like, please tell me. I kind of want to steer the channel in the direction of you guys, because I know there's a good chunk of you that are, anytime a new video comes up, you guys watch it like immediately. I'm beginning to know you guys by your screen names, which is really cool. So that, and as the channel grows, like I said, I want to start making Hammy Cook stickers that I can mail out every month to people that are subscribing to the Patreon, or just in general giveaways. And you can, probably of the avatar face, saying "yummy," because that's my catchphrase. Apparently, I didn't even ask for it. People just request. I remember I wasn't doing it for a few videos, but then you guys are saying, "Start saying yummy again." I was like, okay, I'll say it. It's weird, but I'll say it. So yeah, I hope that you can help me move forward. Oh, who are some of your favorite streamers that stream Nintendo content? I kind of want to reach out for possible collaborations, but I don't really. The streaming world is so it's new to me, and I don't know too much about it. So I was wondering if you guys have some favorite Nintendo streamers that stream Nintendo, that stream Pokemon, that stream different things like that. I would love to collaborate with them moving forward on giveaways. So yeah, do that. Okay, here's your to-do list. Recommend some streamers, recommend some recipes, and what was the last one? Oh, and if you want to support the channel, the Patreon. Recommend stuff that you'd like me to upload as far as Let's Plays are concerned, or as far as games you'd like me to stream in the future. Yep. All right. Until next time, take it easy, guys. Bye.